Hello, people. This is a few examples of finding the gradient of a line. These are common questions for foundation and higher. It's just something everybody needs to know if they're taking any kind of mathematics exam, anywhere really. So the line passing through 0, 0 and 4, 6. So these are our coordinates. Remember our x and y's, x, y, x, y. What is the gradient of the line shown in graph A? So we need to find out the gradient, the slope of this line here. Now to do that, we have a formula, and formulas are fantastic because they never change, and once we know it, we'll always get the answer right. So first thing we need to do is I'm going to rewrite these. You may not have to, but I will. Now, this is my x1, this is my x2. This is my y1 and my y2. And that's because that's the first coordinates, that's the second coordinates. Now we're going to use the formula. y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So following that rule of thumb, we're going to have gradient equals 6 minus 0 all over 4 minus 0. Now pop that into your calculator. You're going to get 6 over 4. And we're going to simplify that down, which gives us 3 over 2. So the gradient of the line equals 3 over 2, or as a decimal, 1.5. See? That's how easy this is. So it doesn't have to be difficult as long as you remember the formula. Let's do the next one. We have gradients. We've got 1 and 2. Five and 10. Label them up. Put them into the formula, which is y squared first, which is 10, minus y1, which is 2, all over 5 minus 1 equals 8 over 4, which equals 2. So our gradient equals 2. Next one. Line passes through. We've got minus 2 and 3. 2 minus 1. Plug it into our formula. y2. So we've got minus 1 minus 3 all over 2 minus 2. Just pop that in brackets there to separate it. So now we're going to go with minus 4. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 4 all over 2. Now a minus and minus becomes a plus over 4. And our answer is simply minus 1. So our gradient equals minus 1. Don't be frightened of minuses. It's just a number. And then finally, 0, 5. Three minus 1. So we're going to pop that into our formula. So y squared. So we've got minus 1 minus 5 all over 3 minus 1, 0, sorry. That becomes minus 6 all over 3. So our gradient to the line is minus 2. And that's it. So the thing you need to take from this is to know this. Once you know the formula, you can find the gradient. You've got all the knowledge there just in that formula. Everything in the question is there to put into the formula. Now, on my website, I have got more questions, different questions that I've got the answers step by step on. So you can test yourself and get yourself, comfortable with these topics. It does come up a lot. Bye-bye.